Hello again, kindergartners. We are on lesson 8.7. That's chapter 8, lesson 7, page 333. This one, we are going to trace the circles around all the numbers that end in a 0. Begin with 10. Count those numbers in order. Tell a grown-up how you are counting. So we're going to circle all of these that have a 0. And then we're going to count by what? By tens. We're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's counting by tens. Each row has 10 in it, and it ends in a 0. One group of 10, two groups of 10, 30 is 3 groups of 10, 40 is 4 groups of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 is 5 groups of 10, 60 is 6 groups of 10, 70, 7 groups of 10, 80, 8 groups of 10, 90, 9 groups of 10, and 100 is 10 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, when you're finished, meet us on the next page. Okay, this reads, write the numbers to complete the counting order to 20. Trace the numbers to complete the counting order to 50. Count by tens as you point to the numbers you wrote and traced. So find the missing numbers. What comes after 9? Write it here. What comes after 19? Write it here. Trace over here. Trace over here. And then count by tens to a grown-up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When you're finished, meet us on the next page. Here, page 336. There it is, 336. It reads, Antonio has 10 marbles. Write the number in order. Jasmine has 10 more marbles than Antonio. Write that number in order. Lynn has 10 more numbers than Jasmine. Draw a line under the number that shows how many marbles Lynn has. When counting by tens, what number comes after 40? Circle that number. All right, so let's look at Antonio. Antonio has 10 marbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to write a 10 here. Antonio has 10 marbles. Jasmine has 10 more marbles. So he has 10, and if she has 10, what would that make? 2 groups of 10. 10, 20. Yeah, 2 groups of 10. So we write 2. Why does the 2 come first? Because there are 2 groups of 10. Here's a group of 10, and here's a group of 10. Lynn has 10 more than Jasmine. So another group of 10 would be 3 groups of 10. How many is 3 groups of 10? 10, 20, 30. So we draw a line under Lynn's. Antonio has 10. Jasmine has 10 more than Antonio, so she has 20. Lynn has 10 more than Jasmine, so he has 30. When counting by 10, what number comes after 40? What number comes after 40 if you're counting by tens? And then we have to circle that number. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is that? 50. Yes, so we circle 50. All right, over on this page, 336A. Trace the numbers to complete the counting order to 100. Count by tens as you point to the numbers. So trace all of these, and then we're going to count by tens. What's this first one? It has a 6 first, so it would be 6 groups of 10. 6 groups of 10 would be 60. And you can always hold your fingers, hold 6 fingers out and say, okay, counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then what comes after 60? 70, 80, 90, 100. So trace those. Count your groups of 10 to a grown-up. All right, here we are. Count by tens as you point to the numbers in the shaded. Shaded means the gray boxes, they're darker, in the shaded boxes. Start with 10. What number do you end with? So count by tens to a grown-up. Draw a line under that number. Draw a line under the last group of 10. Down here, count and write the number. Here, I want to know how many okay, let's look at this because this can get tricky. We are taking away. Taking away. Remember, when we use take away, we have to start with the greatest number. So we have to count all of them. So I'm going to start you out. We have to count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First a loop and then a line. That makes the number 9. 9, take away, how many did they take away, equals how many were left. So do these 3 problems. You can send me a picture. And have fun with math. We get to do this one tomorrow. Woohoo! All right. Bye.